Hey everyone, so it's been a while since I've made a setup video, and I've made a few changes since then, so here's a fresh new update. The premise of the computer setup is to keep it ultra simple, with flawless cable management, and basically only have on the desk what I need and nothing else. Simplicity is beautiful, elegant, and by default always remains perfectly organized. As of right now, the desk has a total of 9 key items, and that includes on the side drawers. Most of the items are utilized daily and play a key role. Let's begin with the desk. This here is the very popular Alex desk from IKEA. Generally, most YouTubers get this particular desk in white. I decided to go with their gray color, which looks great. And it's something a little different from what you would normally see. Next to the desk, I have generic IKEA drawers, nothing too special. I needed some extra storage right next to the desk, and these match the desk pretty closely. Here's the star of the setup. This here is a 2017 iMac 27-inch. But rather than bore you with the specs, I'll just flash them on screen. So anyways, I bought this unit a few months ago, and I've been extremely happy with the performance. I mostly use it for video editing, however, with the RX 580, I can get away with some gaming as well, which I do on occasions. I've also installed Windows 10, which I mostly use to play Overwatch, and the system has been able to run the game at ultra settings at over 60 FPS without a problem. But the main reason I bought the system is to be able to edit in 4K without any issues. Under the iMac, I have a supersized mouse pad, which is beautiful aesthetically, and it really adds to my overall setup. Not that my mouse needs a mouse pad, but believe me, having that extra layer of desk protection is great. The mouse pad is made of leather, but it's nice and soft, and it basically covers the area where I will mostly be working. If you're interested in this large mouse pad, please check the links down below. They offer a variety of colors. Trust me, get your setup a large mouse pad. It really adds to the aesthetic of your entire setup. In terms of a keyboard and mouse, I opted for a mechanical keyboard with blue switches, meaning that the typing sounds like an old school typewriter, and they feel incredibly comfortable. I'm able to type faster and far more accurately, and as an added bonus, they're also pretty good for gaming. For the mouse, I went with the MX Master 2S, which is primarily used for video work, but on occasion, I'll also use it for gaming. Also, before I forget, I also use a USB hub from IKEA. It's a USB 3.0 hub made of aluminum, and it gets the job done. For audio, I've decided not to use external speakers because I dislike the clutter it introduces. I've decided to simply use the built-in speakers from the iMac as they sound exceptional and are plenty loud. For audio editing, I use my Audio Technicas, which are more than adequate for the job. For all voiceovers, I use a Blue Yeti. I bought this microphone in late 2011, so it's literally the only item I still have from my original setup from 2011. I haven't had a need to upgrade it. I'm still very happy with the overall audio quality. I'm sure that I will upgrade to something else in the future, but for now, the audio quality is excellent, and I'm satisfied for now. Here's the infamous IKEA plant, because you cannot be a tech YouTuber without it, or at least that's what I've been told. So I had to buy one to join that exclusive club, so I guess I'm now officially a YouTuber. For external storage, I've gone with 2 Seagate external drives. The one on the left is a 3 terabyte, the one on the right is rated at 8 terabytes, which is more than enough for my storage needs. My most important documents are duplicated among both drives, but for the most part, I just needed raw storage. So this here is my setup for mid-2018, and I'm very happy with how it has turned out. I'm hoping that this machine lasts a very long time. I'm not the type of person that wants to upgrade every year, but I do like making small incremental jumps throughout the years. The next upgrade would be more RAM, making the jump from 24 gigs up to 40 gigs of RAM, and potentially a desk lamp of some kind. Apart from my iMac, I've also purchased a MacBook Pro 13-inch. I basically wanted a mobile editing system, and sure, it's not nearly as powerful as my iMac, but I didn't need it to be. I really just wanted a powerful mobile computer that I could take anywhere. So stay tuned for a review on that. I will also be sharing my thoughts on why I decided to skip on the touch bar version entirely. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. All of the products you've seen in this video will be linked down below. Again, thank you guys so much. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time.